if you've got a shady area, maybe down beside your house and your neighbour's house, you've got that narrow strip where it doesn't get much sun and you find it very hard to get anything to grow. Well, this ground cover called native violet, it's Viola hederaceae. It's actually an Australian native ground cover, so it's super hardy, super tough. It'll grow in shade or morning sun. If it gets the afternoon sun, then the leaves won't be as lush and green as they are here in this garden. I'm just going to show you how fantastic it looks. Once you plant one, it'll just keep on growing and growing and growing. It's easy control. All you do is just start to pull it out. You can see here where it starts to get more sun, it changes colour. It goes to a yellowy green rather than the lush green back there where it's shaded from the trees above. So it's called native violet. It's an Australian native ground cover, and we've got it at the nursery now. Beautiful, love it.